Hello everyone, it's Tech Geek and welcome back to another video. Today we are going to taking a look at these Sci-Fi design wireless earbuds from Gravastar. The company makes amazing quality Bluetooth speakers and wireless earbuds with extraordinary design. This time we do have the Gravastar Sirius Sync Alloy gaming earbuds. This one comes with very sci-fi look, Sync Alloy charging case, TWS, in-ear detection, and not to forget the high-end quality sound with dedicated gaming and movie modes to choose from. If you fancy getting one, please check the product link in the description down below and use the discount code to get 16% off. Well, without further ado, let's start with the unboxing. In terms of the packaging, as you can see, this earbuds comes inside this heavy-duty style plastic case. You can see the product through the front panel and some specification details are printed on the other side. Really impressed about the presentation. Inside you do get the earbuds, a user guide, different size ear tips, USB Type-C charging cable and last attaching chain. Let's start with the charging case and design. Well, this charging case is made out of zinc alloy material. So it will protect the case and be resistant to scratch and be durable enough to take anywhere. But because of this solid metal finish, it is slightly heavier than similar size earbuds case. On both sides you can see the Gravastar logo. On the side, you can see a small mechanical button that will allow opening the top part and allow to access the earbuds. You can comfortably hold the charging case thanks to the solid build quality and keep it in your trouser pocket without any issues due to the compact size. Having said that, charging case dimensions are 59 by 52 by 20.8 mm. On the bottom, you can see the reset button and USB-C charging port. This charging case comes with 400 mAh battery inbuilt. Means you can fully charge these earbuds 3 times with the charging case. To get the case 0 to 100% battery life, normally it takes about 3 hours. When it is charging, you can see a small indicator flashing and telling you it is on charge. However, when the battery level is less than 30%, indicator will be changed to red. Between 30 to 70%, it will be changed to orange, and once it's fully charged, it will change to green. And last, magnetize in there, holding the earbuds really well. Moving on to the earbuds, again you can see the Gravastar logo and small LED indicator on the top. Also, the logo area works as a touch controller. With this touch button, you can change songs, adjust volume and take or end phone calls and activate voice assistant service like Siri without ever touching your phone. Touch control is very responsive and very convenient to use. In terms of the controllers, when you do a single touch on both left and right buds, then you can play, pause music and accept the phone calls. When you do a double tap on the left bud, it will jump back to the previous song or can end the phone call. Again, double tap the right bud will allow you to play the next song and again end the phone call. When you press and hold the left bud for about 1.5 seconds, it will decrease the volume, and the same thing with the right one will increase the volume level. Again, when you click 4 times on either side, it will activate the smart voice assistants like Siri. And last, to feel the extraordinary sound experience, you can choose 3 different options thanks to the inbuilt powerful 7.2 dynamic drivers. You can pick movie mode, gaming mode and music mode options with these earbuds. To change or choose the mode you want, simply click the touch controller 3 times. To activate the music and movie mode, all you need to do is triple tap the left earbud. And for gaming mode, do the same thing with the right earbud. When it comes to the gaming mode, you can pinpoint the direction of your enemy's footstep with 5.1 virtual surround sound. With the movie mode, turn anywhere you watch movies into a cinematic experience. With HD surround sound that comes from all directions for even deeper immersion. And last, with the music mode, you can experience clear and natural vocal, deep bass delivery and concert hall acoustic. I would say touch controllers are fairly decent and respond really well. Each earbuds weighs about 5 grams and they are very comfortable to wear and can be used for a good couple of hours without any issues. If you pick the right silicone ear tips, they stay really well and they generally are quite comfortable. Both earbuds have a left and right marks. Charging time is about 1.5 to 2 hours and a single charge will allow you to enjoy about 4 hours of playback time. Furthermore, these buds comes with in-ear detection, means buds detect that you have taken them out and your current audio selection will automatically pause. When you put them back in, the audio will automatically resume. Moving on to the noise cancellation feature, this buds has environmental noise cancellation. Means it can cut out unwanted background noise while strengthening sound from human voice. So you can get crystal clear calls every time. Also, thanks to the Bluetooth 5.2, you can experience lossless connectivity between these buds and your smartphone. In terms of the Bluetooth range, you get about 10-meter connectivity range between both units. These earbuds can be paired easily via Bluetooth, and all you need to do is enable Bluetooth on your smartphone and simply follow the on-screen instructions. These are IPX5 rating earbuds that can survive with water spray, so they are perfect to use outdoors. If you're someone who is looking for decent sized sports earbuds, again these Sirius will be perfect fit in terms of overall build quality and sound quality, as they stay in your ear even when you are run around. And last, how about the sound quality? I would say this earbud has well balanced sound with rich solid bass thanks to the custom made dual driver design. It is perfect for everyday use. Also, it can auto repair with the previous device and can be used in a single mode. I was really pleased with the gaming mode and again the music mode. I can feel the difference compared to my previous wireless earbuds after using this model. Amazing battery life, and so nice to have such extraordinary sci-fi looking but good quality earbuds. Also, these buds are available in both space grey and neon green options. And last, if you're looking for wireless earbuds for gaming, watching movies and enjoy your favorite hi-fi quality tracks, then this earbuds serves the purpose of all your audio needs. It has plenty of functionality built in with the touch controls, so I personally found out these earbuds deliver decent sound. So this is the end of the video, and if you like the content, please hit the like and leave a comment on what do you think about these Gravastar earbuds. Also, do consider subscribing to see more review videos like this. Well, see you again with another one, and stay safe.